Welcome back, everybody. Cliff again, turn 5 in our firefight in the hill. And we've broken their confidence. They don't have any reinforcements coming yet, even though it's turn 5. We've still got a melee. Our new guy, Wildman, is in trouble. And we need to do something about it. Our initiative card. Charlie's got really good initiative. Baker Abel, not so great. Baker's pretty good. Charlie's very good. It's a discard. Well, what to do? We need to give our orders. These guys, Thumper is going to be sneaking. Let's give that to Thumper with his prisoner. We're going to be evading here, and we're going to be evading on the bottom. Evading here. Running and gunning here. Running and gunning here. Evading, evading, meleeing. Evading here, and evading there. And that's everything I can do. They are going to be withdrawing. He's stuck. He's prisoner. He's going to be sneaking back. Bold in cover. Running gun 3-2. That guy's stuck in melee. Bold in cover. Rapid fire grenade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Too far away. Rapid fire. Slow fire. Aim fire. Aim fire. He's white. This is a red. Bold in the open. Evade 3-2. Cautious in the open. Subfire. Slow. Cautious in the open. Sneaking 2. Bold in cover. Running gun 2-3. I don't think we got any yellows left. Yeah, we do. He's in melee. No, he's a prisoner. Yeah, I gave him his card anyway. He's a prisoner. Just in case a yellow guy appears. Our best is 16, then 26. They're first. Charlie Baker. Charlie Baker. Then I'm in 82. Red Abel. And then white, yellow, blue. Turn 5. Impulse 1. Charlie Baker. Then red. Charlie. Thumper's sneaking. Cookie is evading. Reaper is evading. Wildman is in melee. Killer is evading. Bucko is evading. Baker. Bring some medical aid up. I'm going to run and gun in here. Take that melee. And I'm going to run and gun up here. Try to spot this guy. So he's an 8, 9, 10. Spots him. And that's my Bakers. Reds. Evading 3. Slow suppress. Abel's. Cookie should be evading. Where's his evade order? I left it behind. Doc has got an evade. Run and gun here. And an evade up into there. Try to resolve that one way or the other. White, yellow, blue. White. Aim fire. Sneak. Run and gun 2. Yellow, just a prisoner. Blue. This is a blue. Melee. Run and gun 3. Impulse 2. Charlie Baker. Then red. Charlie. Evade. Sneak. Evade. Charlie in here needs a 1. Doesn't get it. Evading here. Evading here. Baker's gunning at this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Missed. Baker in here. 4, 5. Miss. Evading here. Red. Enable. Evading 2. Slow suppress. 4. Yeah, morale check. Passes. Abel's evading. He's fast. I'm going to take another one. Run and gun here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 2 hits and a low ammo. And he's deadly. Close call, light wound. Close call, light wound. 2 light wounds. Duck back. Light wound. Goes down 2. Another light wound. And doesn't matter. He's routed with 3 light wounds. So rout takes them down 1 more. Abel in here is a 6, 7, 8. Hits. Light wound. Fails. Goes down 2. He's cautious. White, yellow, blue. Aim, fire. That's blocked. This is the shot. 3, 2, 1. Gets a hit. Light wound. All right. Passes. Goes down 1. Sneaking 2. Run and gun 3. Can't gun, runs 3. Yellow's a prisoner, blue. Goes 2. He's in melee. 4, 3, 2, 1. Misses. Impulse 3. Charlie Baker red. Charlie. Sneaking. Evading. Evading. Can't do anything in here. Evading. Evading. Baker. Hiding. Baker in there. Got a run and gun here. Gonna run over this way. Reds. Evading 3. 1, 2, 3. He's hiding. Able. Gonna run. Melee. Another able up here. Evading. Actually, I'm gonna run one more because I can, because he's fast. Yellow. White, yellow, blue. White. Aim, fire, nothing. Sneaking, nothing. Run and gun. Runs 2 up under the hill. Blue. Run and gun 2, 3. Should, yeah, 2. And blue is in melee, nothing. Impulse 4. Charlie Baker red. Charlie. Evade. Evade. Sneak. Charlie in here. 4 needs a 1. Doesn't get it. Hiding. That's Baker. Charlie. Charlie. Baker's. Run and gun here. He's a 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Missed. In melee. Baker. 5. Hits. Light wound. He's a 4, needs a 0. Doesn't get it, fails, goes down 2. Routes goes back to Shake, and he's captured by Baker. Checkmate. All right. Checkmate gets another order. Guard. That drops him down another one. We got some patching up to do here. It's Baker. Hiding. Red, Able. Pulse 4, evading 2. Hiding. Able. Evading. Got a running gun here. 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This guy has got light wounds and a rout. He's got a low ammo. And he's out. But we get a hit on 0 for him. Close call. No effect. We're out of ammo. He's going to have to reload. What is this? Somebody's hand grenade. It's very annoying. He's out of ammo. I'll futz with it off camera. We're still in Able. Able here's not got anything to do. I did my Ables. White, yellow, blue. White. It's got an aim fire here. No targets. Sneaking 2. Running gun 3. He can't see anybody. Too far away. Yellow, blue, run and gun 2. Dead. That's it. We saved our guy. We've got another guy dinged. We got to get his light wound bandaged, and we've got to get up here and bandage our bad wound. We'll sneak him down into the rocks while we're bandaging ourselves next turn. This is turn 5, no reinforcements, nothing else to do. We're going to remove our moves and remove our orders. I'm going to go to the turn marker, back, chits, go to turn 6, go to the cards, discard those, and that's that. I'll see you next time.